Welcome back. Goa Pradesh Congress is confident that mining will resume within 2 months. President of GPCC, Subhash Shirodkar, is sure that Supreme Court will relax its order on mining ban in Goa due to efforts initiated by the central government. He criticized CM Parrikar for remaining dormant on mining issue.
The central ministries have taken cognizance of this issue, of the problems. आणि म्हाका दिसता की निमाणी सुप्रीम कोर्ट आसूं किंवा हाय कोर्ट आसूं, दोन ज्यो बाजू असतात ते बाजू कशा पद्धतीन तो विषय मांडतात, हाताळतात, ताजेर त्या इश्यूची सुटाव आसता पळय ताजेर अवलंबून आसता. सो आमी अपेक्षा धरतात की मुखार 2 ते 3 महिन्या भितर हो विषय सुटावो जातलो आणि लोकांक मायनिंगा संबंधी एक रिलीफ मेळटलें.
Is it because of the party, Congress party's initiative with the central?
Of course.
It's not because of the state governments.
Of course, it is also, I would say, but major role has been played by our leaders in Delhi, like Mr. Sardina, Shantaram Naik, I myself, Mr. Raniji. We have been, whenever we have gone to Delhi, we have met our leaders. So we have pleaded to them.
So the present government had done nothing on this?
Nothing much. The government which has closed mines, government which had closed mines 17 months back, you should make a note of that first, underline that first.
He has demanded stern action against those involved in illegal mining.
We have never objected. We have never said no to that. Right from day one, we have been saying, recover 35,000 crores, recover this, recover that. We have been saying this.
Congress party has supported mining mega morcha. Party has appealed office bearers and workers to participate in the morcha in the capital city on Thursday. GPCC has demanded implementation of Central Food Security Act from September.
गोयच्या माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याक आव्हान करन दिसता की जात तितक्या बेगीन सप्टेंबर महिन्यातच ह्या कायद्याची कार्यवाही गोंयांत जावंक जाय. आपूण ते विधेयक अजून शिकूना, तातूंत काही त्रुटी आसात, वगैरे वगैरे गोष्टी आसा हे नंतर पळोवपा जाता.
Goa Mining People's Front will hold a mega convention on August 29th in Panji. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Social Welfare Minister Mahadev Naik has silenced rising questions on OBC reservation. He said OBC will get 27% reservation before the end of this financial year. He said government is working on OBC data. The OBC data report will be kept open for public opinion.
की 19 जातींचे सर्वेक्षण जे आसा, सर्वे जी आसा ती पूर्ण जाल्ली आसा. जे आता रोल तयार जाला तातूंत मुख्य म्हणजे की तो डाटा भितर फीड जावंक जाय आशिल्लो सगळे जातीचो, तोही फीड करप जाल्लें आसा, तेही काम पूर्ण जाल्लें आसा. जो कितें आमचो रोल आसा जाती संदर्भान, तो रोल आमी तांचे कडेन व्हिडिओ कडेन सुपूर्द करतले आनी ताजे उपरांत 1 ते 20 तारीख पर्यंत हे सगळे रोल जे आसात त्या गोंयच्या सगळ्या पंचायती भितर अथवा म्युनिसिपालिटी भितर हे रोल उपलब्ध आसतले स्क्रुटिनी खातीर, जावं कोणाले डिलिशन एडिशन जे कितें गजाली आसात ते गजाली खातीर हे रोल उपलब्ध आसतले. 26 ते 30 सप्टेंबर पर्यंत ह्या हितून भितर सगळी माहिती जमा जातली आनी 1 ते 15 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत आमी हे सगळे आमचे जे मागास आयोग जो आसा ताजे कडेन सुपूर्द करतले. 31 ऑक्टोबर 2013 एक हांगा लास्ट आमची यादी जी आसा मतदाराची जावं हेजी समाजाची ती एकदम ताजो अहवाल तयार जातलो आनी 1 ते 15 नोव्हेंबरच्या मदीं ह्या सगळे हेजेर मंत्रिमंडळ बैठकीत ताजेर चर्चा जातली. येत्या वित्तीय वर्सा भितर फायनान्शियल इयरा भितर म्हणजे मार्च पर्यंत 27% जे आसा ते OBC घटकाक मेळटले. हांवें हावजां उतर दिल्लें आसा.
Food and Drugs Administration officials raided various edible manufacturing units at Margao on Wednesday. Farsan, shave, fryams worth almost 70,000 rupees have been seized. FDA is conducting further investigation.
With Savat festival round the corner, markets are getting flooded with all sort of eatable stuff, but quality and hygiene is a big question mark. FDA is on its toes now. Food and Drugs Administration official raided a Goa sweet manufacturing farms at Nue. The officials found that manufacturer had changed the premises. 3 underage laborers were also found in this premises.
आपने उस कंपनी से राइट्स लिए मैन्युफैक्चर करने के कि
एक्चुअली रेडीमेड जो है
पन्नी है थी, वही मैं परचेज किया था।
लेकिन ये कायदे में नहीं है, आपको मालूम है?
हाँ सर, मालूम नहीं था, अभी सर मालूम हो गया।
In another raid at Ravanfund, a farsan making unit was raided.
गणेश चतुर्थीच्या लागून हे स्वीट्स मेकर आहा तेंचे आमी इन्स्पेक्शनां चालू केल्या। नव्या एक गोवा स्वीट्स म्हणून एक प्रेमायसीस इन्स्पेक्ट केली आमी। थंय आमकां ते भुरगे खाता ते 1 रुपयाचे पॅकेट्स मेळ्ळी। ती प्रेमायसीस आमी ऑलरेडी सकाळी बंद केला आनी थंयच्यान मेळ्ळात तेणी पॅक केलो सगळो प्रोडक्ट्स आमी सीज केला। मागीर आमी हांगा येयले मंडपान हावेली, दोनूय हे वेगळी लेबल्स लावन तो पॅक करता। म्हणजे हे दोनूय हे मॅन्युफॅक्चरर आसा विदाउट लायसन्स आनी विदाउट प्रॉपर लेबल हांगा पॅकिंग करता। हे आमी ऑलरेडी आतां तांकां बंद करपाक सांगल्या।
Sources say that it has become difficult for FDA to conduct raids in South Goa as the headquarters is located in the north. Some of the manufacturing units make the best advantage of it. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.